Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I've got a 2012 CVO Ultra Classic to show you. It is in the Wicked Sapphire and Stardust silver paint job. It's a beautiful bluish purple metallic, silver metallic, with a little bit of ghost tribal in there. Being a CVO, you know, it came from the factory chromed out, got the 110 engine, match painted interfering, all the chrome. Still has the Garmin GPS system. This bike actually came to us with all of the goodies that came with this thing from the factory, being a CVO, as far as the bike cover, the saddlebag and tour pack bags, the luggage. This thing is in great shape. It's got 25 or so thousand miles on it. Been very well taken care of. Of course, you got the heated seat on there. No scratches or dings that I can see in the paint anywhere. I believe that's some Screaming Eagle slip-on exhaust. This thing is in great shape. If you're looking for a real nice used touring bike and want that flash and show of a CVO, this is it. Let's see, yeah, 25,765 miles. You see the GPS system there, still works. Not super loud, got a good exhaust tone to it. Think this could be your next bike? Inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride. Check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. Y'all come see us.